Start by breaking apart some pillar wax and add it to a pan to melt. Next, grab some crayons and choose colors. Take off the paper and add them to the wax. After that, melt the mixture. A double boiler is ideal, but if you don't have one, you can use a baking tin or metal bowl on top of a pot with water. Melt all sorts of color combinations. Then, grab a recycled carton and unfold it. Cut 2 slits on either side of the top. Next, grab some candle wicks. Wrap the wick around a straw or chopstick to keep it in place. Then, grab some ice. Begin adding ice to the carton mold. Then, pour the wax over the ice and allow it to cool. Repeat this process in all different colors. After they have cooled, grab a towel and carefully cut and rip away the carton. You can also add cooking spray before you pour in the wax to make it a little easier to remove. Now you have these fun, custom-colored ice candles for practically free. Use them together for a fun party centerpiece or separate to add a pop of color all around your home. You can also add a drop of citronella to the candles to make them bug repellent for your backyard parties. What colors would you do? Let us know in the comments. Want to make this project? Here's what you'll need: a recycled container, some ice, pillar wax, a box of crayons, a double boiler or pot and baking pan, a spoon, candle wicks, scissors, and a straw or chopstick. I hope this inspires you to use common household objects to bring a pop of color to somewhere in your home. Thanks for watching Home Talk. See you in our next video.